wait, let me get some water. That one is mine.
¿Qué haces?
Let's watch some fucking cartoon.
Are you ready for this shit?
Yeah.
Dude, I gotta take a shit. Can I use yours, bro?
Oh yeah, it's over there. Hey, don't take too long. The cartoon's about to start.
I don't get my shit. Oh, shit.
Dude, hurry the fuck up. The show's about to start. Come on, man.
Fuck! God damn!
Dude, hurry the fuck up.
Okay, I'm coming. Fuck. Fuck the fuck do I do? Fuck. It smells like ass. Oh, this is splashed. Blech. Fuck.
Kevin.
I'm coming. Why? Why would it flash?
What the fuck's taking you so long? I mean, come.
But as math class.
Dude, I'm bored as fuck. Mom, can you bring us some juice?
Oh shit, Coke.
Coke and a Coke.
Ok, ahorita te la traigo. Y la Coca-Cola.
Thank you, Mom. So anyways, bro.
Aquí está el agua.
Oh, gracias.
Y la Coca-Cola.
So yeah, man, I was thinking we could probably. What are you doing?
Huh?
Oh, bro, I'm fucking you up real good right now.
Hold on. No, hell no. I'm fucking you up.
Nah, bro, I'm fucking your ass up tonight. Look at this.
I'm fucking you up.
¡Es gay!
Sunday.
Mamá. Te voy a decir a mi mamá.
Chica tu madre.
¿Qué pasó?
Métete.
Stupid nigga. I already fucked you hard as shit.